Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the new Heart to Heart stamp set, and this is a sweet little Valentine's card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Heart to Heart. Are you so excited about Valentine's Day? I absolutely love Valentine's Day. So we are going to be using Happy Valentine's Day and You Make My Life Better. Excuse me. Okay, so to start off, I have the From My Heart Designer Series paper, or the Specialty Designer Series paper, and then I have the Heart Punch Pack. And so what I did, and I'm not going to do right now because I have plenty of these, I just centered that and punched. And you do have to cut out the ones that aren't fully heart, but you can get 21, I believe. So this is what we have. Excuse me. And I'm also going to use the scallop heart punch. And I have a piece of Flirty Flamingo, and this is cut at 5.5 by 2 3/4. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to center that and punch that out just like that. And we are going to put this down. I absolutely love this Designer Series paper. It's got some little foil accents. I don't know if y'all can see that. All right, so let's start putting this card together. I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 3/4 of an inch by 5 1/4. I'm going to come in with my Real Red, and I have the sentiment mounted on Clear Block H, and I want it all the way to the left, just like that. Oh, you know what? While we have this out, I have another piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then Happy Valentine's Day, and that sentiment's mounted on block D. And I'm just going to place this in the center. And I think this might be the hubby's Valentine's Day card. All right, so let's start putting this card together. Our card base is Real Red, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So we can put our sentiment in here, and I'm just going to adhere that down with some snail. So we will center this just like that. All right, so we're going to get our Flirty Flamingo, and then I have another piece from the From My Heart Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 5 1/4 by 2.5. So
I found this on the web.
Just going to adhere that down with some snail. So just like that. And then we will adhere that down as well. All right, so just like that, now I'm going to come in with my sentiment. And then we are going to pop up our little Valentine. Doesn't it remind you of like Valentines that you used to make in elementary school? I love that. All right, so I think 3 dimensionals will be good. And let's see, just going to put it right there. So there you have it, a quick and simple Valentine's Day card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!